Ryan. Over here the work condition is the Fox Tango DX1200. At the moment running 1 kilowatt into 6 elements Yagi pointing in your direction and just testing out some equipment. Today we built 5 Radio Shacks out of the 13 we have here coming up next weekend. So Mike, back to you.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much.
CQ, this is Lima X-Ray 9 Sierra. Lima X-Ray 9 Sierra is calling CQ.